Fine, to go home. You want to go home? Okay. Call your daddy see when he come get you. Hey,
Okay, we're good. Sit down. What? Take the jacket off.
No.
What you got your jacket off for?
Because I like it. Come on, let's go.
You the one I told to come over here. Now you rushing me.
dry kid.
I paid for this stuff.
Because that's what we
Huh? Okay. Hey y'all, I'm back with another two-time video. You know, technical difficulties at the beginning. But, anyways, we're gonna be trying this. That's some So Good candy, freeze dried, rainbow bites, but they're Skittles. And I got these for me. They are gummy pickles. Wait, you don't know what they're? I already know what they taste like. We trying some gummy pickle spears.
You have a cry
They're green apple flavored instead of pickle flavored. So yeah.
Right there.
And then we gonna try this. I had already opened it because I wanted to taste it, but
You ready to come home?
Wait, which one we tasting first?
we're gonna taste this one first since it's already open.
sure
This is
He's here for
Funworks.
tonight.
Stop. This is from Funworks edible paper with an edible pen in it. So I'll be back once we like write on it, or once we like get the paper off of this and then write on like the little papers. Okay. Bye. Oh, they look like they say, you know. Anyways, this is what I got on mine.
I got on mine.
I'm gonna try it. This is hard.
I don't know if I can take it or not. I will let them get to the other phone, but then they're gonna start fighting over it.
This is disgusting.
You know I got that 11 and the extra.
Yeah. You like it?
And then you got him.
Is it good?
Spit it out.
Girl, when you said something,
But this is 0 out of 10. This is a 0 out of 10 for me. -1.
No. We shouldn't have bought this.
So now we're gonna try this right here.
Give it.
And Rico wanna try it too. I kinda burst it in the bag right here. Can y'all
Go get your mom.
Okay.
Go get the iPad for your mom.
Yeah.
Go play the iPad.
I'll be back once I get it open. Okay, oh my bad. I got it open.
I am.
See you walk It's TikTok.
That video already ain't coming out right. What my person in the first half.
Couldn't hear. I was talking.
More than what she was. Oh. It's scared.
I don't hear you explaining nothing.
It's
I gotta get it open.
you can take this.
Who bought this?
I did.
Got some pickles.
It actually do look like pickles though.
Okay, we try by ourselves.
Y'all gonna argue about it? I'm gonna take it from you.
Alright.
Oh,
Try it on camera, Rico.
it's good.
Oh, it don't come apart. I thought it comes apart.
This.
I should have got me 4. I should have got me 2 packs of those. My cousin trying it with that little gummy stuff from that last one. But this is good. 10,000 out of 10. We'll definitely try again. On to the next thing. My grandma trying the pickle. The flavor green apple.
I want to try those beef ones.
This.
I said this is a 10 out of 10.
Oh, I had these
Me too.
yesterday.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
I probably should have got 2 boxes of these though.
10 out of 10. The mama said she wants the pickle. She wants to try it. That's the other one.
Ain't gonna be
You
no,
know, back of kids.
ain't gonna be no more pickle. Anyways, don't mind them in the background. These are the freeze dried Skittles. This is what they look like.
Okay.
They smell like the original Skittles. They look. It's like a whole lot of powder. If you could see, it's like a whole lot of powder in it. So like yeah, there's just filter because I was like stupid right now. I got a lemon one. Let me get one. One.
So did I.
I got a lemon.
What?
Come get one.
Bring the bag.
You go get rid of the bag.
Girl, I ain't gonna take all your candy cane. That ain't a skill my hair no way.
That is mine.
No, ma'am, they're not.
Who they fuck?
I got them. Dang.
Oh, you did it?
She not gonna get one. Get 5. Hold it, let me watch my hands.
But that was good. This stuff right here is a 0, a -0. But this is good. This is a 10 out of 10. And these are mine. But appreciate you watching. Rico, come throw this in the trash. I'll see you guys out. I'll see you in the next video.